That was the Tesla miss. Wall Street expected 455,000 vehicles. Tesla delivered 435,059 vehicles in Q3. Wall Street were wrong. Every retail Tesla analyst knew it would be bad because they listened to the Q2 earnings call from Tesla where they said they were going to rejigger the lines to make them more effective. They were going to shut down factories, rebuild production lines for increased effectiveness and efficiency. That's what Tesla do. Okay? That was the problem. Wall Street were clueless. By the way, there's a guy called James Stevenson from I Cannot Enough on Twitter. His guess was 435,000 deliveries. He missed by 59. That's how good the retail analysts are. So this is what they did say. Basically was caused, the drop in numbers was caused sequential decline by planned downtimes for factory upgrades as discussed on the earnings call.